Hello everyone, we have another Big Shirley episode of How Does That Taste? So today we're going to be trying pizzeria style DiGiorno, actually hand tossed style crust. Quattro formaggio, yes! Here's what we got. That's a slice. I didn't bring the entire pizza into Big Shirley, and you know what, that's okay. Guess what? Yes, so we're gonna try this, and I will let you know how it is. Oh. Nothing happened. Definitely this Settlers of Catan box did not enable us to have more pizza. So, here we go. It's definitely not another slice. Well, it's not a bad. It's not a bad crust. It's not a bad pizza. It's a sort of pizza that's pretty tasty for a grocery store pizza. Now, I will say, I got this on sale for $5, which, to me, the $7.29 price was a bit much for a frozen pizza. When a lot of pizza places have specials, you can get it for that amount of price. But let's try the crust bit. The crust bit, without the toppings, disappointing. Not that great. It was okay. Kind of a weird flavor. I don't know what it's from. I will say that if you're looking for a decent frozen pizza, you might want to try this one. But if you try a different frozen pizza, that's okay too. The world will forgive you. DiGiorno might not, but I will. Sponsored by Big Shirley. You go, Shirley. We love you. The pizza crust went flying out the window. Sorry, pizza, but you had to die.